Hey everyone, welcome back to On Misuse channel. Thanks to each and every one of you. Now I know that you are coming back each and every single day to learn, to listen, to grow, to expand your mind, to be able to make a difference in your speaking skills, in your personal and professional life. And you know that I'm always focused on finding you. And I'm so grateful for being here, and I'm really excited for today's lesson because we are gonna talk about 3 different ways to criticize someone in English. So sometimes you need to be straight and honest with people, and this might include criticizing when they do something bad. But of course we don't want to be very rude when we criticize someone. So how can you do this politely in English? Today I'm gonna teach you how to criticize in English. So don't make the mistake. If you are walking your dog, you are cooking, or you are communicating and you can write because you are standing or walking, please come back to this lesson. We are gonna be awesome in speaker from this episode. Before I start this lesson, I'd love to say this: something has left to do, as to still you haven't subscribed my channel. Why is that so? You can start to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon beside subscribe button so you don't miss any notification of any Europe videos I post. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, with respect, or slightly more formal, with all due respect. Yes, with all due respect. These expressions are perfect for letting someone know you are going to criticize them, but you don't mean it in a rude way, and you still respect that person. So before you criticize someone, you can use this phrase first. For example, with respect, your argument isn't logical. This is a polite and formal phrase, so you can use this at work or in a formal situation. So listen to how with respect or with all due respect are used in this conversation. I really think I should have won the singing contest. With all due respect, you weren't that good. There's a reason why you came in last place. With all respect, you don't know what you are talking about. I am a fantastic singer. Okay, believe what you want to believe. The next one is a little more indirect, and it is, if I were you, I would something. Yes, if I were you, I would something. So you grammar experts already know that this is the second conditional grammar structure which is used to talk about unreal situation in the present, which is why this is a great indirectly criticize someone. You are saying that you would things differently. If I were you, I would do it differently. For example, if I were you, I would exercise more. Another example, if I were you, I would be an IS officer. So listen to how if I were you, I would something is used in this conversation. I am thinking of investing in Bitcoin. Don't you think that's a bit risky? I don't know, but my friend told me that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up a lot next year. If I were you, I would think about investing in the stock market instead. Number 3, and the last one on this list is, I am not going to lie, or more naturally, I am not gonna lie. So this one is kind of polite but a bit more informal than with respect. So you use it with your friend right before you criticize or tell them something bad. It's a way to prepare someone right before you criticize them, and it goes like this: I am not gonna lie, that doesn't suit you at all. Like I said, this is a more casual and informal way, but it's good phrase to use just before you criticize someone. So listen to how I am not gonna lie is used in this conversation. Is that what you are wearing to the wedding? Yeah, why? I am not gonna lie, that's the ugliest tie I have ever seen. You can't wear that. But it's the only one I have got. So guys, now you can criticize someone in a friendly and polite way that hopefully won't offend them too much. Definitely use this expression the next time you have to criticize someone. So cheers for listening and watching me. If you really enjoy this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friend and colleagues. I will see you next time. Stay safe and stay healthy.